Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a quick mill Lucca with us in the shop. This is a Lucca version of the Veterano from Quick Mill, and it came in for one main reason, and we do have the original part here so you can look at it. Mainly the switch had broken and burnt out, as you can see from the actual connections that I ripped off, or that I cut off. This is really hard to push in, and even if you did, there's no conductivity through the switch, so you can't get power to the rest of the machine. And so what we did is we snipped it, put 4 new connections on there, made sure that all the wire looked good, and then also just replaced the entirety of the switch. And so now we're going to test the machine by just quickly turning it on. As you can see, very easy to do. Everything will boot up. You start seeing the red lights flashing. That means both, or whatever heating element is on the side that's glowing is turned on. As you can see, it'll switch between them because the machine's already hot, and so the machine's just trying to make itself constantly hot enough so where you can produce stuff. So we have a test coffee in our portafilter. I'm going to quickly put that on, and then we're just going to brew a shot. Don't worry if this runs a little too fast or a little too slow in the video. We don't calibrate any of our grinders or our beans to the machine. We're just doing it just to test it, make sure all the functions of the machine are working. But yeah, looks like a decent shot coming out. This has a bottomless, so it tends to splash a little bit sometimes, but at least you could, with a bottomless, the pros of it is you can see if your shot's brewing in the way it should. We're just going to let that go for 30 seconds and cut it off. Then all that excess pressure will go through the back valve right here. Now we're just going to quickly test the steam one. As you can see, working well. And lastly, hot water. And everything's working good. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.